was born to be free.
So welcome to Gosport Marina. It's due to be 24 and sunny later, but right now quite heavy cloud. We had a great evening here. Today we're going to try and get over to Newtown Creek. Newtown Creek? How do you pronounce that? I think it's Newtown Creek, which is meant to be absolutely beautiful. It's 9:10 in the morning.
Okay.
It's about 3.5, 4 hours to get there. So we'll get us there 1ish. High tides are 1:30. So low tides 5 something. And if we get there just after lunch, it should be good for getting in before it becomes a real creek. While there's plenty of water. And we're hoping to get a mooring buoy.
So, what do you mean?
Gosport Marina. This is Sampagita, over.
Station calling Gosport Marina, apologies, could you repeat your last please, over?
Gosport Marina, this is Sampagita on Golf 38, just calling to check out. Thank you for a lovely visitor stay, over.
Sampagita, this is Gosport, that's all copied, many thanks for letting us know, and have a safe onward journey, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Gosport listening to channel 80.
Gosport Sampagita, thank you very much, out. Windows. So we've got wind from over here. So as we go back, I think I'm going to try and do what this boat doesn't like doing. We'll just mooch over there a bit, blown by the wind, and then go out. We'll try and go out front first for once. So I'll take that line off because it's not doing anything, and then you can go on the front line, and I'll rig this to the stern. Actually, would you mind, should we just push these down there, alright, aren't they? We don't need to lock them. It's going to be very calm out now. So this line isn't doing anything at all. Just chuck that up there, keep it out of the way. This line I'll make a loop so that you can let go. And then we just pass it back under. Yeah, that's the best thing really. Well, yeah, maybe just pass it through that eyelet thing and then, yeah, that's it. Just pass it through there. So that you're not able to take the strain, that kind of thing. Today it doesn't matter, but might as well practice. All right.
Yes, yeah, that's all received. You have clearance to proceed 0917. Yes, Manifold, yeah, copied all that last hour. Yeah, we're keeping in close because we'll be putting these 2 barges at airport tomorrow. 36 once it's berthed. Yeah, that's all received, Bob. Thank you very much.
Okay, do you want to pull the line through? Let go.
Unhook it.
Yeah, just... You should just be able to pull it, I think. No, just pull it tight again, because as soon as you let go, it's going to pull us away. Yeah, pull us tight, and then just see if you can just pull it through. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Pull it all in. Yeah, leave it there. That's right. She wants to go out that way again. Always wants to go this way. I didn't have a chance to go that way. She was just pulling straight away, which is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you. Victoria White, possibly yes, Victoria White has traffic clearance out now at time 0919 following the white rider one. Further traffic information instead of the sounds like right now.
The little green and white ferry thing. Gotta love Portsmouth. Everything from racing boats to navy to ferries, all sorts, hovercraft. It's amazing. Typical Becky, always talking to people even if they're on top of a ferry. Look at this water ripping round here. Oh, that looks so cool. Whee! Took the boat as well. You can just hear it absolutely flooding around there. How cool is that? We're in 8 metres. Here comes the swell. Hold on tight. Oh, that's the most swell we've had in this boat. Three knots at nearly 1800 RPM. Yeah, there's a ton of water flowing in. We'll go right out into the channel because we want to go over to Isle of Wight anyway, so we might as well just head out. But we'll go in the small boat outside the Reds. Just keep an eye on this ferry that's coming in. Hovercraft going out. Just look at that sight. Big ferry, little ferry, hovercraft and a racing yacht. It's all going on. I'm not going to put the sails up because we're going to turn right and then we're actually going to head more straight into wind, so, and we can tack, but that was from that fast boat, wasn't it? That black one over there. See, tomorrow we'll be heading back like that boat, and the wind will be behind us. It will blow us all the way home. Right. Which is why I'm not too worried about sailing today.
Yeah.
We will if we want, but we don't have to. So we kind of, 10 minutes getting the boat ready today? Maybe not even that.
Yeah.
It was easy. Yeah, what's that from? Yeah, it's all normal, don't worry. And there's no hidden land or anything. It's always good to check though, you're right. And we'll go straight over it. Yeah. What I'll do is I'll turn into it, which just minimises the sideways roll. And straight for it. Maybe from that big red boat. Must be maybe from that big red boat. Oh, is it from the green? It must be from the green, mustn't it?
Oh, must be.
We haven't been over anything from that yet. It's like a scene out of one of your programs you watch.
It really is. Here we go. Whoa! Shit. Oh shit.
Oh no. Yeah. Do you want to close it? We got an absolute bathful then, didn't we? I could see it as it was about to happen. I thought, oh no. God. Is it really bad?
No, it's alright. It's not too bad.
But when it came pouring over. Oh. Actually, just let it dry, darling. Don't mop it. Just leave it. Because I don't really want the towel salty.
Okay.
That was big, wasn't it?
That was huge.
I'll come and have a look.
I'll use the jug and scoop it out.
Yeah, do you mind? Chuck it down the sink. Because there is an instrument somewhere over there. It's not terrible, but yeah, just pour it in the sink. We had this, yeah, brilliant. That container ship, Evergreen container ship, went past a while ago. We were thinking about nothing about it, and then we could just see this this wave coming towards us. And we were like, oh, better hold on. I decided to steer into it, took the auto tiller off, and then the bow. Babe? Yeah? Dolphins?
What?
Dolphins.
Dolphins?
I just saw dolphin fins just out between us.
Shit,
Can you
I
see?
just saw it. Where's my camera?
They might come to the boat.
Oh my god.
And we had the hatch open. Why not? There's no wind really, we're just mooching around. Well, that's why not, because the bow went underwater, sea piled over, went in the fore cabin. I shouldn't laugh, that's my bed. But... Yay, we've got some kind of dolphin-y thing. It's quite black, isn't it?
There's two.
stand up here, give you a better view. There's somewhere just in the water off here. No, there, two. Yeah, they are grey. It is dolphin. See if you can get it when they come up. There, very close. All these racing yachts practicing. I think there's a race. I think it's the Admiral's Cup on Saturday, I think. So it looks like they're all practicing. So, passing cows. How are you doing?
I'm good. Oh, my own camera?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm good. Thank you very much.
I prefer. I'm good.
I'm good.
They're called posh on me. Cows. No wind, not for us. A couple of people are trying to sail, but no one's really doing anything. We're motoring along at 5.8 knots, and there's 5 knots of headwind, so there's kind of 0.8 knot wind coming the other way. Nothing really. So now we're going to turn, hug the coastline, and next stop Newtown Creek. So at low tide, I think this is quite narrow.
What depth have you got?
That's a good question. 6.8. That's a really good question, by the way. Probably should have asked that myself. Going to neutral a bit. Oh, I'm stupid. It is the other side. Yes. Stand up, I think. Neutral. In neutral. The wind should kind of blow us onto it. Burst at her stern. How about that?
Ooh.
You got it, darling. You did it.
First time.
You did it.
I did it.
Okay, I've got it. No, I don't want. Now, if you don't mind, I need to take it up the front of the boat before it. And it doesn't want to go. Now I'll make a little bridle. Although to be honest, looking at it now, yeah, looking at it, it's got a nice hook. Don't need a bridle. How about that? Yeah, don't need a bridle. Okay, well that was easier than I thought. Yep. How about that? And then, is it completely unnecessary to do that over the top? You tell me in comments. You can see the water rushing around that big buoy. And then that comes up through a solid rope, and then there's a little buoy here. So Becky did a really good job of just scooping up this line. I wrapped it around a cleat and chucked an extra one on for safety. Completely pointless, I'm sure. Because we're going to be here overnight, I've actually strung up an anchor light, which isn't needed, but some people do, and I might as well. It's on rechargeable batteries, doesn't cost anything. So I'll light that later, but I just wanted to get it ready. You can see it's been quite cloudy since we've been here, but very peaceful. Let me do a bit to camera. So yeah, since we got here we have relaxed, had lunch, some tea, some coffee. Just going to have another cup of tea now, and then the tide has turned and is now flowing out. And the whole boat has swung through 180 degrees since we arrived. So we've got a side-on wind because the tide is winning for now. What I find interesting, let me show you this. I hope you can see. There's this beautiful kind of eddies of currents and water's coming out of that area through this gap. And there's these kind of flat zones and ripples down here. It just looks alive, and much less kind of homogeneous than when we first arrived. Now that the moon's pulling the water around, I think that's how it works. I saw a seal, couldn't get you on the camera to have a look, but I saw a seal, but I'm hoping to see some more. Loads of birds. And I think we were quite lucky to get the last white visitor buoy. The mud bank's getting bigger and closer, and it'll be interesting to see how much water we've got. I estimated half a metre, but I was being conservative, so maybe we'll have 0.7. So in 2 or 3 hours I'll let you know. It's just so peaceful. It's so peaceful. I hope you're enjoying watching our little mini adventure. I'm really glad I got the soaking that the front cabin got. Look what we've done. I've got these out, drying out, because we actually, it's not like we accidentally left the hatch. We deliberately left the hatch open. We said, oh yeah, Solent is calm. let's get some air through the boat. And then went through that Evergreen container ship's wave, and goodness me, that was the front of the boat just buried itself into the sea, and a deluge of water went through the hatch. Bare sheet. It's drying nicely. We've got good 4G signal here, so we're just running the Wi-Fi off the Falcon 4G unit and settling in, thinking about the barbecue in a couple of hours. Looking forward to that. Got to decide if we're going to pork or lamb steaks, pork steaks or lamb steaks. We haven't actually paid yet, but I noticed there's a rib approaching, so I think at some point someone's going to come and take our money, and I'll let you know how much they want when I next talk to you. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. It's 4:50 PM and it's exactly low water, so I thought I'd bring you back and show you what Clamakin Lake, which is this side of Newtown Creek, looks like at low water. Certainly there's a lot of land now visible. All of that was just water up. Yeah, you couldn't see any of this. It was just water as far as you could see when we got here around 1 PM. And you see all these lovely details. I mean, who put these wooden stakes in, and who built these brick and block walls? Are they tens of years old, hundreds of years old? I don't know. Look how close we are. Look how close we are to that land. What's that? 50, maybe 20 feet. 15 to 20 feet, I think. And yet we're in 1.1 metre of water below the keel. So plenty. I might be slightly worried if I was on that private yellow mooring ball. That's quite close, but we're certainly okay. I hope this muffler is working, because there's quite a breeze blowing through here. So we're all set up for the night. I've just double checked everything. We're on this white visitor buoy. No one's come to take money yet, which I don't understand. I thought the reputation is they come out pretty quickly, so maybe they'll come later. But we are planning to leave by 9 in the morning, so I'll let you know. I will come and light my anchor light. I'm going to have an anchor light even though we're on a mooring ball, because just in case someone comes in late at night. Becky is enjoying some streaming over Starlink. We were using 4G for all our social networking and telephone calls, but as she started streaming now, it was buffering a bit. I guess maybe possibly also because we're about 3 meters lower than we were, so we really are below sea level if you look. So maybe that's why we're now switched over to Starlink. Barbecue is nearly ready to be lit, so we will be having lamb steaks and salad is our plan. So the barbecue cartridge is all ready, beer on the go, and here's where we are. Oh, it now says, so we have gone another 10 centimeters or so, so now we're at a meter below the keel. 1.0, 1.1, you can see that. We have seen some seals. I've been on seal watch for the last few hours, just relaxing, and I tried to put the GoPro against my binoculars. These binoculars I bought are marvellous. You know when you buy binoculars and you're sitting in your lounge, you go, well, how do I test these? They are amazing, as far as I'm concerned. I'm not an expert, but even with my weird eyesight, I can adjust each eye. I then get really, really clear vision. And I tried to show you it by literally putting the GoPro against one of the eyepieces. So I guess when I've done the edit, if I've included it, it's because it kind of worked, because there was a seal playing off that little bit of headland up there. Can you see these swans? Literally. You can't eat lamb. pretty good. Pretty good. It's like the Loch Ness Monster. Where's he going to come back up? There he is, there he is. Look at that. It's huge. You can hear him breathing, can't you? It's 8:30. The wind has gone. We've seen loads of seals at the shoreline as the tide comes in. It's absolutely beautiful here. So many bird sounds. It's just completely still.